So as you can see, we have created the HTML structure here, and let's test this out. And when we refresh the page, we haven't refreshed on the previous lecture, so that is what you are going to see on your screen. So let's start design this. Open up the CSS file. Inside the CSS file, we are going to create another comment here. We are going to just copy this and paste it here before the right side wrap section is started. So here we are going to create pop-up side. We'll say pop-up wrap. So we'll say create pop-up wrap section, and now here we are going to add all the classes we have created here. So we are going to start copying this. Copy all the classes from here. Copy this up and this as well, and this bottom as well. Copy it and paste it here, and here we are going to add dot. So we'll say make it a class and add a curly braces. So now we have added all the classes here. So let's add a position property here, and we are going to say position fixed, and we have already talked about the relative and absolute position, and this time we are going to know about the fixed position fixed. So we are going to say position fixed. Width and height will be 100%. So we'll say width is 100%, height will be 100% as well. And it here. So we'll say left 0, top 0, right 0, and we'll say overflow hidden, and we'll say RGBA, we'll say background. We will add a color of red, green, blue and alpha, and that will be transparent little bit. We'll add red 0, green will be 0, and blue will be also 0, and that will give us the black color, and we will going to transparent it. So we will say 0.5, and that will be transparency. So that is how we wrote the RGBA color inside the background. So that is how we use RGBA color. Save it, and let's see what happened if we refresh the page. As you can see, now we have the transparent background, and we have this div which is now placed on the top left corner because we have used the position fixed property. And now let's add display flex, and we are going to center this out using flex properties. So we are going to use a flex. So we'll say display flex, and then we are going to say specify content center, align item center, and when we save the file and refresh it, you will notice it that our item is now in a center position. Now let's give a background color to this. So here is the create pop-up box, and we are going to give a color to this. So let me zoom in here. So we'll say width of 500 pixels and height will be 430 pixels, and background color will be #FF, that will give the white background, and the border radius 8 pixels. Save the file and refresh it, and now as you can see we have given the background to this box. Now let's give the display flex to this image and the text. So let's open up the file, index.html, and if we see the image here, you can see we have the image, and here we have the text. So here we are going to add a class. We are going to make this a flex container, so we are going to use flex here, so that will make this a flex container. Now this will be arranged as a flex direction row, as you can see here. Now we are going to do that to this button. So here is the button, so here's the button. So we'll say we'll use this button div, we'll say flex, and when we refresh it, we notice it that it gives a flex direction row position. So in the next lecture we are going to start design this button, and that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.